Hello, my amigos, my amigas. Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to change your air filter for your car, any basic car. So you'll have to locate or Google where is your air filter box. Generally it looks like a box and it's hollow. So mine's right here. You can either have screws or flaps to remove the cover. Wow, that's so dirty. For sure time for a replacement. Looks like I haven't changed this for a very long time. So you should usually change your filters between 12,000 to 13,000 miles or 20 to 21,000 kilometers. So I wrote down the kilometers of my next air filter change. So the air filter is directional, so you have to follow the instructions, how it's placed. Goes in like so, and put back the flaps on. Just clips on like that on both sides, and done. So that's how you place your air filter, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Many hot videos coming towards your way.